give you today the push in order to make a decision if you don't like it, or if it's a real business what you want to start together with us. My name is Christian. I am from Italy, and I already started 1.5 years ago exactly this business. And last year in September, the 1st of September, so we have now almost one anniversary, the first anniversary of the creation of our community called Aitech. And I will show you today the results, what happened in 1 year. Because I think after 1 year, we can be also proud that we are so long on the market. I tell so long, because in the last 12, 13 years, we saw so many companies coming and going, right? Some of them a month, some of them 3 months, 6 months, 9 months. Only very few of them survived a year, and they are still on the market, but most of the companies closed down. It was a crazy 12 years in the crypto market. It was a crazy network referral system years. There was many scams. There was many things what happened. And actually, for this reason, you need to analyze exactly what I tell you today in order to can make a decision for yourself. That's my job today in the next 20 minutes. I will now share the screen. First of all, I turn off the camera. Let me share the screen, and then I give you detailed, or well, as detailed as possible for the time what we have, the limited time. I give you the information. First of all, in order that we can, or you can, or anybody, any client can start to trade, we need an intermediary. And the intermediaries in this in the biggest industry in the world called Forex trading is a Forex broker. They open us the door together with the broker. We can put liquidity in the market. Well, and if we have experience, we can trade manually. But in my case, and in case of so many people what I know, this was never ever a solution that people start to manual trade. If you can, perfect, okay? But I am talking now to the masses, what definitely have not the experience, not the training, not the right mentality also to be a profitable long-term trader. So this was for me a no-go, right? Then the second solution, what the broker said to me, the owner of the broker, it's actually, Christian, there is something called signals. You can in the morning time and in the evening time, sorry, you can connect to a Zoom or to a Telegram channel, and that an experienced trader gives you signals what you only need to copy paste, and practically you are only copy pasting what the trader is doing. But it was better, right? Because so I don't need to be an expert in trading. But it was the same situation. What if I forgot to trade? If I forgot to enter in the exact time in this day, then I have no trades. So it's also something what maybe most of the people cannot do on a long run. And the third option was a copy trading. So that means there is a trader, and he is trading his account, and you inside the broker with two simple clicks, you can connect your wallet to the trader wallet. And every time if the trader is operating and executing a trade, your account is doing a 100% automatic copy of the same trade what the trader is doing. So for me, it was clear. We go for a copy trading because this is something what everybody can do. The only thing what you need to do, first of all, this is our trade, our broker where we was partnering. Okay, it's Tech Markets. It's now over 3 years in the market. It's now after 1.5 years working very hard, one of the top 15 brokers in the world. So we did, I think, together with the broker and we as community, we did together a very good job. And the results, what I show you now, what we did together with Tech Markets, It's, I think, unique in this moment in the entire Forex industry. Now, once you register to the broker, actually it's for free, but let me go first to this step. If you are interested today, you will receive from the person who invited you a referral link. Very easy, you know. You can sign up. It's totally free, no costs, no hidden fees. You know, all the small letters, it's not existing. This is only a back office where you can see the numbers. It's a mirror from the broker back office to a easier, understandable referral back office. But it's only a mirror. Now, and what you see inside in this back office, you see your personal profile, you see the numbers, you see the commissions, what you can earn, you see the money, what you can earn, you see the people, what you can introduce to participate in this community. So you have an overview of all, but you also see, here is your partner link, what you can send to others. But what you can see is the 3 products, what we as Aitech now have available. The first one is the CopyX. CopyX is the Forex trading copy strategy. I will show it to you in the next couple of minutes. Then we have our own crypto exchange inside tech markets. So that means most of the people today are using crypto exchange, right? Or a decentralized wallet, whatever. But there is a big difference. Any transaction with crypto, they cost always some gas fee. And normally the gas fee, who is earning the gas fee? The owner of the exchange or the owner of the wallet, right? Now, in this case, the owner is the broker. And he said, if you bring people to the exchange and they are producing gas fee or participating in a copy trading of cryptocurrency, all the gas fee I share with you as network. I said, wow, this is cool. The first time in history that we can earn money whenever gas fee is moved in our team. Fantastic. And the third product is a virtual and physical debit card called BIX. And here is the same story. The broker is emitting the cards and people can buy it. It costs $9.90. Okay, a virtual card. Maybe some of you know the Red Dot Pay. The Red Dot Pay, it costs $10, so we are on the same price. You add it to your Google and to your Apple account. You charge it with crypto, and everywhere in the world where Visa is accepted, you can pay online, in restaurants, in supermarkets, in Alibaba, in Amazon, wherever you want. And here is the same story. Any transaction of any card in the world is producing a small fee, right? Here is the same. The broker shares with us the fee. So that means if somebody, what you introduced to this business, he is going tomorrow with his family to dinner and he pay $1,000, the fee, whatever, let's call it $10, okay, on as an example. The $10 is shared to us in the network because we referred somebody to tech markets and they are using one of the services of the broker. So my question to myself was, I have now the Red Dot Pay. I love it. It's an amazing card, but I don't earn money. I earn only on a one level, I think. You know, the personal referrals. I earn some commissions, small commissions. But imagine if you from the entire team, if this person bring another one and bring another one, why they are using the card on a daily basis, you make always small fees every day when somebody in your team is using the card. So these are the 3 products. So once you register here in this free back office for us, the referral people, you click only then the CopyX here, okay? Once you click the CopyX, you are redirected automatically to the broker homepage in order to can start the Forex trading, the copy trading. And our copy trading is called Sonic. Sonic is a strategy from 3 German traders. They are since decades trading, institutional traders, very famous in the market. Why? Because they are very good, very conservative, and very stable. I will show you all this, okay? I know it's different to say something and to show something. Now, this is example now, your back office, okay, same as mine. The only thing what you need to do, in this case, you need to do a soft KYC. So that means you need to upload a document and a selfie. Why? Because the broker is 100% regulated and you need to be also a real person in order to can participate with this broker. There are some countries restricted, so please read always the risk disclaimer and the terms and conditions. And something else, all what I show you today is only a personal experience, a personal testimony from myself. It's never ever a financial guide. It's never ever uh, you know, to tell you that this is the best or this is promised. It's never ever a promise of a future profit. We cannot, because we don't know what happened tomorrow. The only thing what we know, what happened until right now. So never ever, if somebody give you promises of something, so please be aware, it maybe can be a fraud or a scam. All what you see now is based on our last 12 months results. So the first thing what you need to do is, of course, to deposit some balance in your personal wallet. How? You click the deposit button, then you choose whatever you want. A golden rule is deposit only this amount of money what you also are willed to lose. It's trading. You know, trading is always risky, even if we have a so stable strategy, but the market can change. Now, let's say if you put in example $1,000, then it asks you how you want to deposit: crypto, Visa, bank wire, different payment systems. Example, crypto, you click crypto, you deposit it, and 30 seconds later, you have the $1,000 on your wallet. Then you click the copy X on the menu on the bottom. There is this field, copy X, the menu. I click on it. And then the only thing what you need to do is to go to Sonic, because this is the strategy was we are following. Why we? Because we are already over 449,000 people in the world following the strategy since 226 trading days. And it's actually amazing and mind-blowing how good Sonic until today is trading every single day from Monday to Friday. Why I can say this? Easy. There is a page, it's called My FX Book. In My FX Book, you see all the past results from Sonic. And if you see all this here, this line, it started here on November 3, 2024, and today we are August 27, you see, or 2026. Please, if you see other strategies where suddenly there is not the actual day there, but maybe it says June 25, 2026, and they're telling you that it's the best strategy, so why they should not show their strategy till today? Something is wrong then, okay? You need to know these basic things. Here you see from day one, the 3 of June, sorry, the 3 of November 2024 until today, August 27, you see the entire historical track record. And if we go here in, you can see it also November, December, all the last year, there were always profitable months. There was no months losing, not even a week was losing. But is this, as I said, it's never ever a guarantee that it will always be like this. But this is how it is until today. So that means everybody who started with us a year ago until today, they earned profits because Sonic was every single week profitable. Okay. Now you see here the average of Sonic is 1.14% a month. Now, for many people, this is good because this would be at a 13% a year, right? So even with this, we normally have more as the traditional bank gives to us. I don't know any bank who gives you a 13% a year on profits, on interest. Maybe it's existing, I don't know, but I never saw one. So only with this, it would be already a very good profit for you as person, right? So instead to have the money on my Binance account doing nothing, I put it here, I connect to Sonic, and I have a monthly, weekly, monthly, and yearly profit, right? Now, but what happened in the moment when you connect to Sonic? You need only to click the button connect, right? You put in again the amount, 1,000, you accept terms and conditions, click the button copy now, and you are connected to Sonic. So that means tomorrow, when the next trade is going on, tomorrow is Friday, it's still a trading day. If you open on the night, in the night tomorrow, your back office, you will already see the results, what the traders did or will do tomorrow, right? So, of course, the trading was like this. Example, the 25th, the 26th, the 27th. Today was also a winning trade, as you can see. On the 25th was one winning day trade and one losing trade, but on the end positive, okay. But some people want to see this, obviously, in the MetaTrader 5. You have here inside your back office the MetaTrader 5 account number, the investor and master password. You go to the MetaTrader, you add there the account, and there you can see every single day all the trades inside the MetaTrader 5 account, okay? This is very good. Even if you want, for people who know, hey, give me an account what already is 1 year trading, no problem. We can give you the MetaTrader 5 account, the investor password, and you can give it to experts, and they should analyze and tell you if they like it or not. But I'm sure if people see the statistic of Sonic, everybody says this is a very solid, a very stable, and a very conservative strategy. But here happened the following. In the moment when you click the button, and please, 5 minutes, then we finished already. Put a lot of attention now. Here's happening something. If you put in $1,000 or USDT, okay, to your wallet, and the Sonic is doing an average of 1% a month, right? This would be an average of $10 profit a month. This is numbers, okay? But tag markets, they have with 75 liquidity provider contracts. So the deal with them was, if you put in $1,000 liquidity, you personally, the liquidity provider gives you a 40x on top. So that means in your trading account of $24,000, yours, you can take out only your 1,000, the other 23 you cannot touch, of course, okay? So the 24,000, it's trading the same 1% from the trader, right? But now the outcome on the end of the month is $240 because it's 1% on what? On a higher liquidity. So, but you only was putting in 1,000, right? But you did 240 profit. So that means you did 24% profit. Why? Because you have a leverage, you have an additional liquidity inside your trading account, what gives you and allows you to have a higher profit on the same capital what you have connected to Sonic with your personal capital. Is this clear? If you put in $100, you will have how much? Correct, $2,400 in your trading account. If you put in $1 million, how much you will have in your trading account? Correct, 24 times more, $24 million. And it's always 1% average until today, no promises for tomorrow, on the amount of 24,000 in this case. This is your profit, and you can take out the profits every single day to your external wallet. So this is why Sonic and why all the clients are so happy with Sonic, because it's working. It's producing for the people real passive income. And let me show you an account of mine, personal. Okay, I was putting in $30,000. Obviously, times 24 is $726,000. And I did now a 46%. That means almost $14,000 profit in what time frame? Let me see when we did that first trade. Let me go to the last page, page number 10. On the 3rd of June, so that means June, July, not even 3 months now, and I did in this strategy with Sonic, with my personal money, I did now $14,000 profit. It's a little bit more because I was taking out one time $3,500 also. Okay, so it's actually a little bit more, but this is in order to not confuse you, this is the average profit what everybody of these 450,000 people connected to Sonic are receiving every single day, thanks to a working, stable, conservative strategy called Sonic. Now, here is now the next point, what I want to make you understand. You have two income streams. The first one is called Sonic. This is your personal profit, whatever amount of money you connect to Sonic. This you take out when? Every day, right? The profits. Now, the second income stream, you have now the possibility to share the opportunity to others, to send them your referral link, and they do the same. They sign up for free, they connect to the broker, they make the KYC, they deposit some funds, they connect to Sonic. To what? To Sonic, right? Everybody is connecting to Sonic. You are connected to Sonic. If they bring other people and they order, everybody put in whatever amount. Minimum is $10. Unlimited up practically, okay? Everybody connect wire to Sonic. So that means everybody makes the same profit or losses, but we have very small amounts of losses. Okay, you can all check in the track record. So what that means if everybody is connected to Sonic? Everybody. That means that everybody's making a profit in a weekly basis, right? Now that the broker says this, we have here a profit split. If somebody earns this week $100, some of them here in your team, this one here, okay? This gentleman or this lady, if they are making $100 profit, 70%, in this case $70, stays with the owner of the money. $5 is going to the traders. They are doing an amazing job. And 25%, in this case $25, is shared in the community into the referral structure to others. So that means, and I wanted you put very attention to this. I know, or I met so many people in the last 27 years that I am doing this referral, and it's all 99.9% always the same. Oh, Christian, I have no opportunity. I have only my income from the job. I have a lot of bills to pay. You know, a lot of excuses, or don't call it excuses, a lot of how the system wants that you are persons with low money, with a lot of debts, so that you depend from the system, right? What we need to do in order to have a better financial future, to do different things as only to have an employed job where the boss pays you $2,000 a month or whatever, and this is what you earn, point. So you can be a famous sportsman. Yeah, they earn a lot of money. You can invent something what will change the world. Perfect. You will also become rich. You can be super talented, and then maybe you receive a high voted job in big companies. Maybe you earn 20, 30, 50,000 a month. It's also possible. But I was always thinking in the masses. We need something where the masses, wherever person, independent from the age, if it's man or woman, young or old, whatever religion, you know that everybody has the same opportunity to decide and working in a proven system, what we have since a year, investing effort, investing a little bit of time, investing a little bit of dedication. Yeah, I not even want to say invest in money. Why? Because you don't invest money here. You only open your account for free and deposit in your account something what will produce until today, every time happened, what will produce for you passive residual income. So, but if you now share the opportunity to others and they share it to others, and sooner or later you have a group of 10, 20, 30, 50 people in your team, and everybody is connected to Sonic, and everybody makes a profit with Sonic, the system pays you. The system pays to you residual income because the people in your team are having profits with Sonic. So how many people you want to have in your team? I hope thousands. How you do this? It's easy. First, start yourself. Be a product of the product. Deposit $100, deposit $1,000, deposit whatever you can, connect to Sonic. Then you can what? You can show to people your personal results with your personal money every single day. Nobody can say, oh, I don't believe. You don't believe real numbers, statistics. Well, then sorry, next, okay? No problem. It's always this type of people also, but not even believe in whatever, okay? So, but most of the people will say, wow, that's actually cool. You have only the money there and it's working for you. That's it, okay? Second one, some of them, what you are talking, will do the same. They will say, hey, let me also participate. They deposit some money. The moment where they are connected to Sonic, you automatically earn commissions. Automatically. How many people you can bring? Whatever you want. And I am sure we have a product in our hands, what everybody would love to know, to have it. But the point is that 99.9% of the people outside there, they don't know about Sonic. They don't know that this exists. They maybe have they not even believe anymore in themselves. Okay, so our job is now to go to people, show them real facts, small amounts of profits, whatever. Even if you earn only $10 a month, it's good. It's money what you earn. Okay, what the system created for you. So smaller or bigger amounts of money, show it to everybody. The people will love it. They don't need to pay. They don't need to pay a monthly subscription. They don't need to pay a starter package or a starter kit. No, they come, deposit, and make profit. And you participate when your people are making profit. So if they share the opportunity to others and they to others, we're creating a network. In the end, it's all a network. All. Starting from the churches. The church is a big network, right? Tell me, every church is a big network with hundreds of millions of followers. Amazon is a big network. Coca-Cola, a big net. All is a network today. So why we should not create also a network, but having the benefits we in our pocket, not in the pockets of some already rich people. So that is definitely, in my opinion, professional network marketing opinion, in this moment, one of the best opportunities for you, with or without money, with or without experience in this. I also am not a trader. I have no experience about trading, but I have experience in telling good things to other people. There I am good. So some people ask me, why you have so much people in your team? Because I am a product of the product. I can show my results. You saw it, right? $30,000. I did $15,000 profit. Is this a result? Yes or yes? Definitely. If you have only $2,000 in your balance and you make $500 profit, show 500. In 6 months, you also will have a $30,000 account. I am quite sure, because you will make money. Okay, so we can update and upgrade step by step until you really can reach the financial freedom. We have not only this bonus, okay? This is only the profit split. We have also another bonus who is called lot commission. For those who are traders or are in this market, the lot commissions are the broker pays to us as community back some lot commissions, $8.5, what we also share in the network. I don't go in details now. We have the CPA bonus. All the new deposits, what the people in your team are doing in 1 month from the 1st until the 31 is calculated from the system and pays you up to 7.5% on all the new deposits in your team. So, and now make a calculation. If, I will not say next week, but end of the year, if we start today, we plan your year until 23 of December. Then we have some holidays, right? Most of us. So let's plan your year. And I am sure until now, to end of the year, you can have $1 million in deposits in your team, not you personally. But if you have 2,000 and you have hundreds of people with also 2,000, it's a number game, and you will also soon have $1 million in your team. Now, how much is 5% of 1 million? Then you can see the bonus, what you can earn in December. Okay, so I repeat, Tag Markets is the broker, Aitech is the community, Sonic is the strategy. Is there any guarantee for future profitable trades? No, we cannot see the future. We only can see what it did. Today also winning, yesterday also winning, last week also winning. So this is what we can show, okay? So ladies and gentlemen, I would say, go back to the person who invited you today. If you have more questions, you are always welcome to talk with us again, with me, no problem. I am here to work, I'm here to help you. And ask the person who invited you for some information. And if it's green light for you, then start to work, start to use your free time in the day for something productive. Don't spend it in looking Netflix. Don't spend it in talking negative things with other people. The negative things we don't need. We need good, positive things. And then your financial future, step by step, will become better if you do the right things, what we already know how to do it. Why? Because we did it. So that's all what I can say you today. Make a decision for yourself. You are welcome here in this team. We are expanding globally from South America, all Africa, all Asia. We have so many people now in Asia especially. So you are welcome to join Aitech together with us, together with the person who invited you. I wish you a wise decision, and let's see us in the next Zoom or training what we have on a weekly basis. Thank you very much. I wish you all the best. Bye-bye.